Hi guys, it's your DIY queen Mocheddah, and I'm here again to teach you how to use your darling Nigerian natural twist. I'm sure you've seen me over the years do my ponytails, style my hair, but this is something different. The great thing about the darling Nigerian natural twist is it's already sectioned for you, so it's easier for you to just pick and use for your crochet. You will need your crochet pin and your extensions. So you want to take your crochet pin and turn it in under your braid, take this in, twist it in and bring it out. Now to make an invisible crochet pattern, all you have to do is pick one strand, not two but one. Voila! Here's another trick for you. You know when your hair is at the top and you mat and braid your hair all around, you have a little bit of a gap. To close up that gap and create an invisible, seamless, invisible pattern, you want to pull up from here like so. Get your bobby pin and just tuck it in. Voila! You want to make sure you pull out your hair and just cut away any lumps you see or find, because you want it to ball up on your face and just look fabulous. This is the finished look. Hair popping, hair cute, yeah, ready to go. Try it out and let me see how you like it.